Good evening. This is ClassMarker. ClassMarker is an online platform for tests and quizzes that teachers can use for their students. ClassMarker is free. However, some of the features do require premium sign up, but they're like the files and certificates. Um, but you can make a complete test without ever needing to pay for those. There's lots of different things that you can do. You could mess with the themes, etc. On your dashboard, it gives you an overview of how it works. Tells you the results of tests, recent tests, group results, and link results. Now you do get, every time you enter a question, it goes into your question bank. I currently have 16 questions, I believe. 17 questions in my question bank, which are questions I can choose from and add them to tests. This is my tests and categories. I have my current questions. Let's look at test. And we are going to edit so we can look at it. There's different options that are available. You can do matching questions, and then you select the point value and the category. These are all figurative language terms and the definitions, and students have to match those. You can duplicate a question, um, use it somewhere else, or reorder it if you don't like the order. To add questions to a test, you either choose the fixed questions, which means that it'll appear in every test that you give. Every student will have the same question, or you can add random questions from your question bank. So if you add questions to your question bank, you can add those, right? And then you can adjust the order and how those are used. Let's preview this test. There are 16 questions, no time limit. They have unlimited attempts. And we can start the test and see how a student would view the test. There's the matching. They would select the right answer, which is metaphor. And they do that for all of these. And we must attempt all the questions. Now to add another question, look at the different options that there are. There's the multiple choice, which is A, B, C, D. We'll add a question. And then we type some different options and select the right one. That is the verb, so that's right. And we would add that to verbs, our verb category. Select the points possible. We will randomize the answers, and then we only want one answer option to be selected. And we can preview and then save. Now there also is the true false, matching, which is what we saw a little bit ago, the free text where students can write their own answers and you can select what the mandatory answer is. There's grammar where students have to fix something that's incorrect, or you can do essay questions. That is ClassMarker. It seems to be a fairly useful program for creating online tests um, for students and quizzes. I like that it saves your questions, so if you want to test the students over the same material, some of the same material for, say, a unit test and then an end of the quarter test, you can do that like that. And once you're finished making your test, you would then assign it and select how you're going to assign that to your students. Yeah, that is ClassMarker. Have a good evening.